Hello, Mr. Sandro. Good morning. I hope you all are well. In this pandemic coronavirus, please stay home, stay safe. Spend your quality time with your family member. You can give your quality time in your study also. I hope whatever homework I am giving you in maths and science, you are doing it on time because whenever school is going to open, I am going to ask all the homework which I have given you. So please be sincere and do all the homework on time in your homework copy. Eat healthy food, play some indoor games. Okay. So whenever you are going to watch my video, please keep a science book and science copy with you. Okay, it will help you a lot. So we know that already that chapter 11 water is going on. So in earlier classes I have taught you, I was teaching you storage of water. In storage of water, about dams I have explained you dams are high wall builds, okay, which builds across the river. Now in that one more storage of water is there, that is reservoirs. So that we will see. Okay. Reservoirs. Okay, reservoirs. So reservoirs are huge water tanks when water is stored for later use. Okay, reservoirs are huge water tank. Maybe you will find there is a water tank is here at every places. Okay, big tank which is built high walls and which is that tank is built for later use. The water is supplied to cities for drinking and other purposes from that tank. Okay, the water which is stored in that high wall built tank that is known as reservoirs. In that from that water only from with the help of the pipeline. Okay, the water which is stored in that tank. Okay, and whatever water we get in that our home from our pipe, that all we get from that tank means that reservoirs. So water from the reservoir is supplied to houses through pipe. I told you that water from the reservoirs is supplied in our homes through pipe. In houses, water is stored in roof tank. Now in house, how we can store water? So that whatever water comes from that reservoir, that is stored in our rooftop tank. Okay, in our home when we store a rooftop tank. In that rooftop tank we store water. We use drum, we use bucket also to store water. All stored water should be kept covered. Yes, your tank should be also cleaned regularly. Okay, if you will not clean, germs will be there. If you carry water in bucket drums, and that bucket and drum should be covered properly, otherwise any type of insect will get fall into this, and if you will drink that water you will get sick. And tanks, vessels and buckets should be cleaned regularly. I told you already that whatever utensils we use for storage of water, that should be clean and that should be covered properly. Okay, so reservoirs are huge water tanks where water is stored for later use. Okay. Now water from the river reservoir is water from the reservoir is supplied to houses through what? Pipes. Now all stored water, okay, all stored water should be kept covered next we'll move to drinking water. Next topic is drinking water. So we need clean and pure water to drink. We cannot drink dirty water. If we will drink dirty water, we will fall ill. So this is very important. We need clean water, clean and pure water to drink. Clean and pure water that is safe to drink is called potable water. Okay, the water which is clean and pure, to drink, that water we call potable water. Okay, the clean and pure water that is safe to drink, it's called what? Potable water. The water that we get from water bodies and from the taps in our homes may be dirty and may contain germs. Okay, the water which we get from, we know already that whatever water comes in our home, it comes through dams and reservoirs, and from that and from where that water comes in that dams and that rivers, so that comes from water bodies, lakes, rivers, ponds. So whatever water will comes from lakes, rivers, and ponds, that might be dirty. So how can we clean that dirty water? So we must purify before we drink. So we can do filter or we can do boil it. So how we can clean the water? So we must purify the water before drinking. So what are the method? So first is filtering. We can filter it. Okay. Filter is a method, means if you just take any net one, filter water, whatever dirt will there, it will remove. So filter is a method by which dirt is removed. Okay, or you can take any filter paper that you will get easily in the market. Now keep that filter paper above the vessels, then pour water into another vessel. Whatever dirt will be there, that will be left on the surface of the filter paper, then you can easily drink that water. Next is boiling. Now boil, yes. Boiling is a method by which the germs in water are killed, yes. If, because whatever water comes in our home through the pipe, and whatever we get from that our taps, that are very dirty. So first is filtering and second is boiling. If you will boil any dirty water, that will kill all the germs and will be safe for drinking. The water is made safe for drinking. Containers that have water in them should be kept covered to keep the water clean. Okay. Containers that water has in them, the containers which have water in them, it should be kept covered. So whenever you find that your water is dirty, then you can use any of one of the products. You can use filter or you can use boiling. For filter, you need to buy filter paper. Keep that filter paper on the other vessels and just pour it into another vessel. Whatever dirt will be there, that will be left on the surface of that filter paper. So till here I am stopping. Next class I will go for how to save water. So for now, goodbye.